Hey guys, it's Divya here, back with episode 3 of Dunster House TV. Today our guest is David in his office. Stay tuned and together let's explore his garden.
Right, I'm Dave Greaves. I am a contract accountant and I work from home. I've set my business up 3 years ago. For the first year, 18 months, I worked from a spare room, which was fine, until kids come home from school, or my wife wasn't working, things like that, so the usual distractions and noises were in the background. So I decided that the best thing for everybody concerned, my own sanity and the health of my family, was to look into building a home office.
David has a lovely welcoming garden with plenty of space for leisure, relaxing and his garden office. It looks like he chose to put the office at the bottom of his garden, where there was a nice large free area that wasn't doing very much. As well as the cosy underfloor heating, David has put in track lighting and some LED spotlights which give him enough light when the evening draws in. During the day, the office is filled with natural light from the garden. The inside has been furnished with a large desk where David works, some storage units, a space for his little coffee machine, and lastly an area for his clients to come and visit when needed. Then, to add to the overall brightness of the garden office, David has put lining paper on the walls and painted them a sweet honey dew colour.
This last 12 months in my home office has been one of the most interesting. I think personally I've been the most relaxed I've ever been. In terms of stress levels and things like that, I've never really struggled with any of that, but I do feel that the garden environment is very, very relaxing. I mean, you're always looking out in the different seasons, the things going on in your garden. Whether your garden's big or small, there's still something to look at. The flowers, the leaves change, the weather changes. It's a really peaceful working environment. And I think generally when you're happy at your desk, you get a lot more done. And certainly your clients will feed off the back of the fact that you are happy and relaxed. I think some of it is due to the fact that I am happy in this environment. It's just perfect for my business. Kind of try and get a little bit of work-life balance.
That's all for this week, guys. Hope you enjoyed exploring David's garden with me. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you all very soon for another episode.